What is up? Today I'm going to show you how to make these little labels. You're going to see them on the back of the Donald Trump weed bags. It's actually quite simple once you get the hang of it. So basically, firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to buy these 1 inch by 2 5/8 inch shipping labels. But we're not using them for shipping. We're using them for, obviously the weed labels. So you can buy these at Office Max or Office Depot. There's like off-brand ones. There's Uline. There's Avery is the main. Avery is the main brand, and then off-brand, they sell them on Amazon or wherever. So just if you really need them that day, I recommend just going to Office Depot and buying them. They look like this. So it's 30 stickers in a row, or 30 stickers on one sheet. So 10, 10, 10, right? And then as you can see here, like what it looks like, you could like print whatever you want on there. So it's perfect for what we're doing. So what you're going to do is go to avery.com. You're going to actually make an account. So click up here, sign in, make an account, whatever you need to do. And then you're going to go to templates. And then you are going to type in the 1 inch by 5/28 right here. You're going to search that. Oh, why is it not working? Okay, whatever. Let me just do it like that. I searched it up here in this one. Templates. Okay. Damn it. All right, sorry. So this is, so let me see. I think we need to grab the code. So 18260 is, see, the 1 inch by 2 5/8. 18260 is the product code for the template. 18260. Templates. Find a template. 18260. Damn it. 18260. Okay. Okay, start designing. Email address. No, I don't care about that. Okay, so you can just choose this blank one here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a bunch of these here. So firstly, this one is, you do strain, actually you could just do the strain name. So like tropical runts and then dash hybrid. That's what I would do. And then you click on move up and then do that. And then you can copy and paste that. And then, there you go. Next one is going to be damn it. Why is it not working? It's going to piss me off. There we go. THCa content. And then, whatever it is from the lab test, 35%. And you can just do that, yeah. D9 THC content, less than 0.2% or whatever it is. I'm just giving this as an example. Then you could do total cannabinoids, 30%. I don't know. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is do this lab report. Underline it, bold it, why not? Then what you're gonna do is go to your drive. I'm gonna go to my Google Drive. I'm just gonna get a random COA for this example. PDF. Okay, so you're gonna upload it to your Google Drive first of all. Then you're gonna go to share in the top right corner. And then you're gonna wanna make sure you activate viewing for all people. So you're gonna have to click down here because by default, it's gonna say restricted, which means that no one can see it. But we want anyone with the link can see this image, okay? So copy the link after anyone with the link can view it. Okay, done. Then we're gonna go to QR code generator on Google. I use this one because it's free, the one with the monkey in the picture. QR code monkey. It's completely free. So you paste that in there. And then make this high quality, create QR code, download PNG. Now it's gonna load for a second. Okay. So after this is done loading here, it's gonna download it. Yep, you can see that right here, QR code, it downloaded it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab this QR code and I'm gonna place it in here. It's gonna import it. There's a QR code. I have to like fiddle around with it. And then you just do one final thing. You could do, so like I do this, I type in square text, copy paste. I know that's weird, but like basically I basically like just grab this thing. Okay. I have to remove the bold and the underline. I just do 3.5G. 7G, 14G, 28G. And then maybe I'll actually like reduce the size of it so it can fit better. There we go. That's it. So then what you do is you get your printer, which is a regular paper printer or whatever. Preview and print. Obviously you resize all of it, make it look as nice as possible. But you can see here, like, this is what it would look like. So you have to actually print it yourself, get PDF to print. It's gonna ask you to save it. You know, Avery, just whatever, label example. Save it, why not? Okay, now it's gonna say open PDF. So what you're gonna do is, now you just print it. And you know, you print it, but you have to put the actual paper in the printer. So you have to buy the special labels from Avery, like I said earlier. I don't have the screen up anymore, but yeah. So, and that's it. And then you just print it and then you slap them on. So there you go.